The outdoor gear company Snow Peak has released a couple new products recently. If you saw my previous video on the Floiga, which was an attachment for the large Takibi fire pit, you know that I thought it was a game changer for that fire pit. Today we're going to unbox another new product from Snow Peak. Let's see if it's as good as the Floiga, so stick around. So in this box is the new Takibi Solo from Snow Peak. We're going to unbox this in a minute and see what's inside. But before we do, thank you to all of our subscribers. We definitely appreciate you. If you haven't subscribed, take a moment to click the little red box in the lower right-hand corner. So let's see what we have inside. So as I said, this is the Takibi Solo. And this fits, I think, between the recently discontinued small barbecue box and the regular Takibi fire pits. So it's a small fire pit that can still be used as a cooking device. So in the box we have instructions, and like on the Floiga, thank goodness, Snow Peak is providing instructions in English these days. We have two uprights or legs for the fire pit. We have a base plate, the firebox itself, along with what looks like the carry case. So let's unpack this and we'll try to set it up and see how it looks. So as you can see, the fire pit really consists of four pieces: the base plate, the firebox itself, and the two legs. You can get as an option a cooking grill and a shallow cooking plate for liquids and beans and that kind of thing. So let's see how this goes together. Basically, you leave it flat. You attach the two leg pieces. There's little notches that you put the pegs into. You pull it forward, you lift it up, and the fire pit's set up. Then you take the base plate, put it into the one end, and there you have it. And as you can see, the fire pit itself has some plastic protective coating that you need to take off. And that's it. The fire pit is ready to go. It looks like you can burn decent sized wood. So we will do another video once we're able to get this fired up and show you how it works. Thanks for watching. To all of those who've subscribed, we definitely appreciate you. Thank you. And for all of those who haven't, again, if you take a moment to punch the little red button in the corner, it'd be most helpful. So take care, and we'll see you outdoors.